Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Informatica Cloud for ETL to Amazon S3, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, access your Informatica Cloud account and log in. If you do not have an account, create one by following the registration process on the Informatica website. Once logged in, navigate to the Administrator tab on the top menu. In the Administrator section, look for the Connections option on the left sidebar. Click on Connections to view the existing connections and create a new one. Select New Connection and choose Amazon S3 from the available connection types. Provide a name for your connection that clearly identifies its purpose. Fill in the required fields, including your Amazon S3 access key and secret key. Ensure that you specify the appropriate region for your S3 bucket. Next, enter the name of your S3 bucket where data will be stored. Verify all details to ensure accuracy, then click Test Connection to check the connectivity. Once the connection is successful, save the configuration by clicking the Save button. Now, navigate to the Data Integration tab on the top menu. Select Task from the drop-down options. Click on Create to start a new task for your ETL process. Choose Mapping for defining how your data will be transformed. Select the source from which you want to extract data. Define the source properties, including the connection you previously created. Next, specify the target, which in this case is your Amazon S3 connection. Configure the target properties to determine how the data will be loaded into S3. Use the mapping tool to drag and drop fields between the source and target as required. Once your mapping is defined, save your work. Next, create a task for executing this mapping by going back to the Task section. Choose Create Task and link it to the mapping you just created. Define any task properties that may be necessary for execution. Click Save to finalize your task setup. Now, schedule the task by navigating to the Schedule section. Click New Schedule and set the frequency for your ETL process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.